Hey folks, this is my update for August. It's a little late, we're already heading towards the middle of September, but the past month and a bit has been super busy. At the end of July, I was in a place where Harriet and I were looking to move in Edinburgh. We'd sold our flat and we had to move out, so we were looking for a place to rent. And then just at the end of July, we found a place that we wanted to buy. So we cancelled the plans for moving into rented accommodation and put in an offer on a house which was accepted. So the past month has really been kind of hectic mishmash of life admin, getting the mortgage sorted out, packing boxes. We moved out of Harriet's, we moved to a friend's house and did some flat sitting for a while. Then we moved into this Airbnb. So there's been a lot of lifting of boxes, a lot of cleaning and shifting things around. So it's a really exciting time, but in August I basically didn't have time for anything else. I did a little bit of running, I tried to go out a fair amount, and a little bit of reading, getting prepared for the Intern Select's Great Book Salon on Shakespeare. But aside from that, I really haven't had time for anything else. Even the photography has fallen somewhat by the wayside. I put the 52 frames challenges on hold, and I've just tried to take my camera out when I've been walking out and about and getting some fresh air. The only other thing that I've really changed in my life is I've been trying to get out and about every morning. So for several weeks there, before breakfast, I've been getting out and trying to go for a walk in the park. I think living in Scotland, you get a little bit of vitamin D deficiency sometimes. You don't get as much sunlight when you head into winter. So I'm trying to establish the good habits of walking out, getting good circadian rhythm going, and maybe a little bit of supplementation with some vitamins as well. So establishing that before the winter takes over. So just in terms of the next month, we are now in this Airbnb for the next few weeks. We move into the new place in October, so we're just coming to conclude the missives on that. So it's a really exciting time and I'm really looking forward to moving into the new place. So really that's it for the update, and I think next month's update will be kind of more of the same of life admin stuff, but then looking forward to settling into the new place and hopefully showing you around in a month.